Guys, I just took massive changes on my trades, guys. I actually completely closed out my Ethereum short position and I already took $3,000 of profits of my Bitcoin short trade that is still in an $8,000 unrealized profit. Why am I doing this, guys? Let me tell you exactly, because there are some things happening in the charts that we discussed yesterday and that now require imminent actions on our trades and actually also open the doors for a future trade opportunity. So stick around till the very end, because we are not only going to talk about the charts, the trades. No, we are going to follow up on this on-chain data in combination with two very, very interesting on-chain data that we need to take a look to find out where the bottom is to be expected exactly. Besides that, guys, I always appreciate it if you smash up a like here on this video. Maybe we can reach 1,000 likes again. Normally my videos reach 1,000 likes. The yesterday's video again got completely destroyed by the YouTube algorithm. The video before and reached 1,400 likes, performed very well. I'm really not sure what's going on, but guys, if you're supporting the channel, thank you very much for liking, for subscribing, having the bell active and leaving a comment on every single video. But now let's just jump right into the charts. Let me tell you about my game plan and what we need to expect now from the Bitcoin price next. Besides this, guys, as always, my Telegram group is now actually going to open, guys, with market updates, with signals and so on and so on. On top of that, you will find trading tutorials and a community chat, and also you can receive a free trading view indicator and so on, guys, by just going to the description and visiting Crypto.io, guys. All steps, what you need to do, are here described very, very easily, and then you just need to enter your BitGet ID, trading username, and Telegram username. But now, guys, that's enough of that. Let's now jump right into the charts. Now, guys, let's first of all take a look at the 4-hourly. We discussed in our last video, right, we opened a short trade. Why did we do it? Because we saw a retest of this rising broadening wedge. We saw a break below the old high point, time to open a short, market dumps more to the downside as expected. Now I told you something in my yesterday's video, guys, that I would close actually my trades a little bit at least, and I would start taking profits as soon as Bitcoin breaks above this downwards sloping support here. After we saw a retest, right, of this past support that now turned into resistance, what would have needed to happen that we see a short confirmation? We would have needed to break this old low point. This didn't happen, right? We saw a bounce earlier. We established here somewhat of an uptrend channel, and we broke back into this falling wedge that Bitcoin was in previously on the bigger time frames. So the problem now with this is that, first of all, we don't know when Bitcoin will break out of this uptrend channel, because pretty much we could go all the way up to the $22,000 level. So this is why I'm closing my short on Ethereum. That's why I took profits on my Bitcoin short. And that's also why I am going to potentially, or why I'm putting my stop loss for this trade in a profit, so I cannot make a loss on my margin. The only important thing is that we actually would need to expect the breakout to happen a little bit sooner than the $21,600 level. Why is that? Because Bitcoin is not only forming an uptrend channel, but it's a combination of an uptrend channel, which is on the 1 hourly time frame definitely a bear flag in the momentum we are having right now, but actually we are forming also a rising wedge. So this means that the breakout is actually expected to happen before the $21,500 level to the downside. This doesn't mean I'm opening a short. This doesn't mean I'm scaling up my short. This just means I'm waiting for the retest. And this retest is going to be the most relevant because we haven't seen that yet. And this retest will tell us more, because either we are going to bounce and then again we need to break the old high point to the upside. This would mean I'm closing out my short completely. Yeah. And if this doesn't happen and we break it to the downside, this would mean I'm scaling up my short trade once again. So that's the entire game plan. That's all I'm looking at right now for the smaller time frames, because on the daily, on the weekly, nothing has changed from my previous videos. Guys, I need to drink something. It's very warm here in my room. But guys, now let's jump to the news, because FTX holds discussions to acquire South Korean crypto exchange Bithumb. Bithumb, guys, the biggest exchange, I think, still in South Korea, a massive exchange, especially in the bull run in 2017. The prices on Bithumb were a lot higher than on the US exchanges, just because demand in South Korea was so crazy. Funny enough, I assume that since Sam Bankman-Fried once told that he made big profits with arbitraging the difference in the crypto markets earlier, I assume that probably he was actually someone that was using the big arbitrage opportunity on BitThumb in 2017. So this is actually very interesting that they are now actually acquiring this exchange, which open up the doors for FTX to a way broader audience of people in South Korea, and also just shows that FTX is really here trying to conquer the world, it looks like. But now let's talk about the on-chain datas. We talked about this yesterday already, right? So one thing that is very interesting and is actually very fitting to this is that we have here unrealized or unspent realized price distribution. So pretty much demand that wasn't filled. We can see short-term holders have still extreme demand at the $20,000 levels. This means that the $20,000 level most likely won't be the bottom, or it already was the bottom and we won't touch this price level again. That's why I'm being so careful with my short positions right now as well. But what this also means is that if we go back to the $20,000 level, it's highly unlikely that it is the bottom. We either missed the bottom now already, or we will not go to 18 and then bounce again, or if we go to 20 and this demand gets filled, we need to see a big wick to the downside, right? To wash out some of these short-term holders with their demand out of the market once again. So this is something that is definitely very interesting to see. And besides that, what we also see is that stablecoins are really declining in supply, which is a good sign, because if they are growing, that means people are taking profits out of the market, right? And now they're actually going down. So people are putting them back into Bitcoin, or what this also will mean, are taking them out of the market, right? So this is the total supply. So this depends on what tokens you're looking at, because some of them are fully, if somebody goes out from a company, so this is like a statistic that could be a little bit wrong, because some of these coins, right, they are actually not having US dollars backing them. So actually when going out of these stable coins are actually not really going out of the crypto market. So this is something that we can see out of two perspectives here. We could either see it the way, okay, we are seeing a decline, so stable coins are flowing back into the market, or we could see it as there's actually still no interest, since there would need to be an increase in stable coins, since there must be any other party that sells the Bitcoin that then keeps the stable coins, if they are not all then directly exiting out of crypto with these stable coins, right? So this is something that we can see in both directions, but is still something that is definitely telling us that the bottom is in very soon. Yeah, guys, besides this, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, guys, it's very funny. It's actually now a very funny problem, guys. My second screen just turned off and now I cannot stop the recording. So now I will have to go below my PC desk to try to re-establish the connection to my second screen so I can, the connection is back again. Okay, guys, never mind. See you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to visit Crypto.io. All you have to do is sign up with my BitGet affiliate link in the video description. You get 15% reduced fees, so you will have the lowest fees that you can get on any leverage trading platform. Besides that, as I just showed you guys, there is a few very interesting things like the spot grid, the futures grid, multiple take profits, multiple stop losses. So highest volume right now on any futures exchange besides Binance. So yeah, guys, it's definitely worth it to take a look, to also gain access to the free trading view indicator, the market update groups, and so on and so on. And you only need to be active on that account. You need to have a minimum trading volume of only $1,500 a month. So everybody should be able to reach that. But yeah, that's just to exclude bots and everything like that from joining the group. But guys, we're going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.